it's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. Okay, lashes, period. And today's video is going to be on a 22-inch headband wig that I did get from Dorhair store. She's really cute, and this is, if I'm not mistaken, the first headband wig that I've tried on my channel. It won't be the last, but it is the first. As you can see, I wanted to show you the inside of the cap construction. It does have an adjustable strap in the back, and we also do have just the regular wig combs. Now, the installation process for these wigs are literally so easy. When I applied the wig, I'm like, is the video too short? That's literally how fast and how easy it is to do this. Now, the only thing that I really like to do is I like to have my hair slick to the back in a braid, and then I'll do my baby hairs really cute and extra because that part is going to be out. And I'll show you what I do once the baby hair process is done. I am using edge control. This is my favorite 24-hour edge control. I forget the name of it, but next, you can do your baby hairs however you like. You don't have to do them super extra like me, but I just thought it adds a little bit more flair to the hairstyle. But yeah, super simple. You can even just have your hair slicked back, but I just think this was a cuter little look. Now go ahead and take the end of your braid and wrap it into a bun. Try to get the bun as flat as you can. Don't have like a pointy bun, but have it like flat so the actual wig won't have a hump in the back. And then I just either bobby pin it or put a ponytail holder on. But this time around, I just did the wig caps. And you want to have your wig cap a little bit back behind the hairline just to make sure your baby hairs and stuff are still going to be showing. And I was really feeling it. Now you are going to want to slide your wig on. Make sure you have the adjustable strap already adjusted to the size that you like, and then apply the combs. I really only use the one that was in the back, and once it's on and it feels like it's pretty snug, you can just lace up or tighten up your headband. So this is how it looked. You can actually leave it like this if you want, but I decided to use one of the little headbands that they did give me. I just wanted to show you how cute and bouncy and healthy the hair looked. It's really cute. I didn't even have to apply any product or spray. This is literally the curl pattern fresh out of the box. And I chose to wear this cute blue headband that they sent me just because it matched my outfit the best. But yeah, the application process and the hairstyle is literally over already. I did kind of like fluff it out just a little bit, but I don't like my hair too frizzy, so I didn't do too much. But this literally looked like this can be my hair. Look how cute, y'all. So if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on Sis is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Dorhair Store for sending me the wig, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.